Today we talk about how can you enable halftime notifications on your FotMob app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you click here on default match notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just come to halftime here and you click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean halftime notifications enable with us now. You go down, click here on down, so then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.